What's up guys, it's Sava and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Lebanese style green beans. Now I don't want to say this recipe is authentic because I definitely don't think it is, but it is inspired by my first job ever, which was at a Lebanese restaurant in Pittsburgh called Aladdin's. They had these delicious stewed green beans. So the green beans are stewed in a spiced tomato sauce. They're not crunchy, they're kind of like soft and delicious in this really like spiced tomato sauce. I think this recipe is a really great kind of change on the way that us Americans at least usually eat green beans. I think you should definitely give it a try. It goes great with my halal style chicken, so if you want to check out that recipe, it should be up by now. Or if you just want to try out something different, give this recipe a try. So for this recipe, we're going to be using, of course, green beans, onion, garlic, fire roasted diced tomatoes. I really love the flavor of the fire roasted, but you can use regular diced tomatoes as well. Coriander, cumin, cinnamon, just a little tad, oregano, salt and pepper, chili flakes, and we'll see if anything else inspires me and maybe we'll add it into the mix as we go as well. I'm gonna start this off by chopping up some onion. I like to just slice it up. Easy peasy. Couple cloves of garlic as well. Of course, use as much or as little as you like. Wow, this garlic skin is peeling off really easy today, and I love that. Love that for me. Also, just a nice slice. Here, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and the onions, along with a pinch of salt. Okay, so into this pan we're gonna go onion, coriander, cumin, touch of cinnamon, oregano, of course some chili. I'm actually going to use a cube of chicken bouillon. Gives it a lot of flavor. You can also use chicken or vegetable stock. And then our can of diced tomatoes. Rinsed out with a little water. Next in goes the green beans. Again, mix her up. Okay, now that the lid's on, I am gonna let that sit and simmer for, I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes, and I'll add a little bit more water if it gets dry. I'm keeping it on about medium heat, and I just want the green beans to really soften up. This is not like a crispy green bean recipe. These green beans should be nice and soft, but not mushy. Okay, so I'll show you when we get there. Okay, my friends, I actually lied to you. These green beans got done way faster than I thought. Took about, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes, which is amazing. So even quicker than I expected, but take a look at this. So you know how I know they're done is that they're still nice and green, they're not brown, but when I push, so that's pretty high, you probably don't want to do these if you have sensitive hands, they're nice and soft, which is exactly what I want. Ready to go. All right, so these are the green beans. This is how they turned out. I just sprinkled some pine nuts on top to make it look nice, but let's do a quality assurance taste test. Like I said, they're nice and soft. and not super crunchy. Perfectly spiced. You get just a hint of cinnamon, but it's not overwhelming. And they're nice and salty, savory. Ooh, great side dish. Highly recommend you try them out. And like I said, I'm gonna be serving them on the side of my halal style chicken, so check out that recipe as well. See you next time. Bye.